Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I will be showing you how to reset view in FreeCAD. So yeah, we have two methods. We will go through both of them. So click the anywhere inside the 3D viewer window to make it active. Then what you're going to do is press V on your keyboard and then F sequentially on your keyboard. This way, basically this triggers the fit all command which immediately centers and zooms to show your entire model, as you can see. Now you can just here adjust it how you wanted to see it. All right, that we have now. Now the second method is basically if your toolbar are hidden or missing, you can access the reset control from the top system menu. So if you go here at the top where you see view and then hover over to standard views and then click on fit all. So to snap the object back to the center of your screen. So optional, while in this menu you can also click axonometric. So this one isometric to reset your physical viewing angle, so like that, and voila. And this is pretty much it how you can do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.